it's Katie, and this is Paraclete. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with mean. And mean is pretty much the same thing as an average. And so the definition is the average of all the number values in a set. Okay, so what you would do to find the mean is one, you'd add up all the numbers. And then the second step is to divide the answer by the number of values in the set. So an example would be 6, oh my gosh, that's not a 6. All right, 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2. So we're given 6, 7, 9, 2, and then we're gonna add them up and then divide it by 4 because there's 4 numbers. And so when you do that, you're gonna get 6. So 6 is the mean. Next is median, and what median is pretty much just the middle number. Middle number. And so how you would find the median is one, you put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. In order from smallest to largest. Then the second step is you cross off one number from each side until you reach the middle. Awesome. So an example of this would be you have 6, 9, 7, and 2. And so you're going to rearrange it so they're in order from smallest to largest. So it becomes 2, 6, 7, 9. And so then the second step, you're going to cross off one number from each side. So we're going to cross off 2 and then 9. But in the middle, we have 2 remaining answers. And if that happens, then what you're going to do is you're going to find the average of the 2. So you'd add up 6 plus 7 and divide it by 2. And so that is going to give you 6.5. So 6.5 is the median of this set of numbers. All right, next we have mode. And mode is described as the number that occurs the most. So mode most. That's something to help you remember. So how you find it is one, you rearrange the numbers so it's smallest to largest again. So put numbers in order from smallest to largest. Then the second step is you find the number that occurs the most. So an example would be if you're given this set of numbers. And so they're already in order for you, so we're just going to try and find the number that occurs the most. which is going to be 19. So the mode of the set is 19. So here are some examples. We're given a set with these numbers: 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 9, and 10. So first we're going to try and find the mean. So what you do is you add all of them together and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 10, all divided by 7. And so the answer that you're going to get is 4.86. All right, now the median. So how you're going to find the median is you're going to cross off the end numbers one at a time in pairs until you reach the middle number. And so that's going to be 4. And now we're going to find the mode. So we're looking for the number that occurs the most in the set, and that's going to be 2. For our next example, we have 14, 14, 18, 21, 23, and 25. And so we're going to find the mean. So it's adding all of these up and then dividing it by 6. And so when you do that, you're going to get 19.17. All right, now the median. We're going to cross off the end numbers until we reach the middle. Okay, so we have 18 and 21 left. And so what we're going to do to find that median is we're going to add these two together and then divide it by 2. And when you do that, you would get 19.5. And now the mode. We're trying to find the number that occurs the most, and that's going to be 14. Okay, my last example, we're going to have 6, 8, 12, and 14. So we're going to find the mean first. We're going to add all 5 of these numbers up and then divide it by 5. When you do that, you get 9.6. And now we're going to find the median. So we cross off the numbers at the end in pairs, and then we're going to get 8 as the middle number. And then for the mode, we're finding the number that occurs the most, so that's going to be